are going to make mushroom bell pepper fry. It is a very simple and easy recipe. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy recipes. Let's start. Heat oil. Add half teaspoon of fennel seed. Let it sputter for few seconds. Now add 3 medium-sized finely sliced onions, 3 to 4 green chillies. We are going to saute it till the color of the onions change to a light golden brown. Add 2 medium-sized bell peppers. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Add quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute it for few seconds. Now add 250 grams of button mushroom which are cut in halves. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste. Crush in some fresh black pepper. Mix everything nicely. We are going to cook our mushrooms till they are soft. Roast it nicely till the excess moisture is evaporated. Now let us check on our mushroom. These are done. Now transfer it to a serving dish. Mushroom bell pepper fry are ready to serve. Enjoy it with your family and friends.